'Cause you're in a new dress and I hate this, all the feelings to contain. Oh, I ain't ready, it gets heavy, but now I'm parking anyway. 'Cause when we walk across that floor, I leave my heart back at the door. Smell the smoke of an old flame that still remains. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. I want to teach you guys how to play this song that was requested. So if you guys have requests, please let me know in the comments. This is New Dress, and this is just the chords version, all right? So, if you guys want me to try and do more picking and stuff, let me know, but this is just the chords version. So this is New Dress by Skrizzly Adams, okay? So this song is tuned a half step down, and there's no capo on it, as you can see. So if you guys have other requests, please let me know in the comments. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And also, please hit like and subscribe because it means a lot to me. All right, so the 4 chords you're going to use for this song are, you're going to use G. I'm using this G, but you can do this one if you want. Either one's fine, just whatever's easier for you on this. So I'm using this G. You're also going to do A minor, okay, and C. That's like 90% of the song. And you're also going to use D. All right, so those are the 4 chords you're going to use. Now, for this song, like I said, 90% of it is G, A minor, C. Okay, so the way the song starts is just with. All right, so you just do G, and you're just going to do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so slower. I'll show you. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So I'm just doing down, down, up, down, up, down. So you do down, and then wait a split second, and then you're just alternating down, up, okay? Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now I'm going to show you where you put all the chords with all the different parts of the song, okay? So with the different lyrics and stuff. So you just start with G, and you're going to do G right before you do our. Our brows will raise, you do A minor, raise when we walk into C, all right? In a room. Then you go to G before you say but I'm scared is A minor, scared and trying not to look is where you do C, look at you. And I say castles, okay, castles is G, castles burn, okay, burn is A minor, burn and get rebuilt is C, all right, rebuilt. We both did our best to deal with guilt. So you have been doing G, A minor, C, okay, you did that 3 times. Now, after the 3rd time, you're gonna go and you don't do the G. So you just go, we both did our best to deal with guilt. Guilt is A minor, okay, to deal with guilt and work with what we have. Have is C, have to just make do. Okay, so do is C, is G, do. And then you're gonna go into the second, there's like a break, and then you go into the second part of that first verse. So you do servers, and then you do servers as G. Servers won't know A minor. Know if my wine's free is C, free tonight. Then you do G, but I bet they'll try is A minor. Try and guess your name is C. The wonder how is G. How a perfect couple is A minor. Couple when it let is C. Let a good thing crumble, they won't know. So here, remember, you're skipping that G, so you just go to A minor. But they know. Okay, know is A minor. Know better than to have. Okay, to have is C. Have me explain. Okay, so you do A minor, C, G there. Have me explain. Okay, so then what you're going to do is, at the end of the first verse, you do this, I'll show you where, you do this at the end of the verses, you're going to do, okay, and you're going to mute it, and then go, because you're in a new, and then on new, you're going to start doing G, all right? So then you're going to do, you're in a new is G, new dress, and I hate is A minor, hate this, all the feelings, okay, feelings is C, feelings to contain, well, I ain't ready is G, ready, and it gets heavy is A minor, heavy, but now I'm parking is C, parking anyway, cause when we walk is G, walk across that floor. Floor is A minor. Floor, I'll leave my heart. Heart is C. Heart back at the door and smell the smoke. Okay, smoke is A minor. Smoke of an old flame. Flame is C. Flame that still remains. Then you do G. And then, so you stop, you mute it, and then you're gonna go, I'll see your face when I get bored. Okay, so you're gonna go right to that next part. I know I just probably messed that up, but so that's how you do it, okay? So you do, then you're gonna go right into the second verse, just like you did the first one, okay? And then at the end of the second verse, when you do escape my past, cause you're in a new, remember you do that same mute, and then you go into the chorus. Cause you're in a new dress, and I hate this, all the feelings to contain, okay? So then you go into that. Now the bridge, you're gonna do C, D, G really quickly. Okay, so you're gonna do, cause it's too late to now. Okay, so, and it's easy to go from this D to G like that. Sorry, D to G like that. So you're gonna do, cause it's too, okay, it's too late now. Cause it's too late now. Okay, so you do C, D, G real quick. So 2 is C, 2, D is late, now. Okay, now at your heels, okay, heels is C, but your heels have touched the ground. Okay, ground is G, ground, and your legs, okay, legs is C, legs carry your heart. Okay, heart is G, heart across the floor. And then you do floor is G, sorry, D, all right? Now the sky turns black. See that? Now the sky turns black. So you do C, D, G again. So what you're doing here is C, D, G, C, G, C, G, D. And then you do it again. You're going to do, now the sky turns black. Okay, so you do C, D, G again. Sky is C, turns is D, and black is G. And my confidence falls flat. Okay, confidence is C, so that's easy to remember. And G is flat. Flat. Because they all know. No is C, no, she'll never wear is G, wear a dress like that. That is D, that. You're in a new, okay, and then you're gonna go into the chorus. So that's how you play the song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.